Wives and true husbands, may God bless your nights and your days, and listen to my lamentation, and pray for me if you can pray. The very first time that I saw her, I hardly could keep on my feet, 'cause she was as fair as an angel, appeared by chance in the street. Oh, set me free, take my Bonnie from me. Set me free, won't you please take my Bonnie? At first we were happy together, I pleased her and she did the same. At night she'd open me heaven, I only go to whisper her name. All three of us in a moment, as soon as I called her my wife, I cursed the blessed day when I met her, 'cause this was the end of my life. Oh, set me free, take my Bonnie from me. Oh, set me free, won't you please take my Bonnie from me? My body's a bloodthirsty monster, she's galloping my blood as a wine. My body is a human flesh roaster, a witch and a bitch and a swine. She hates me as devil hates sister, she treats me the worst kind of slave. Lucifer's dear sister, she will answer chain on his brain. Whoa, set me free, take my Bonnie from me. Whoa, set me free, won't you take my Bonnie from me? Glass full of whiskey, oh bring me a glass full of gin. I'll drink to your friends and relations, for I know the truth is within. Welcome all you good wives and true husbands, May God bless your nights and your days. And listen to my lamentation. And pray for me if you can pray. Oh, set me free. And take my body from me. Oh, set me free. Won't you please take my body from me? Won't you please take my body from me?